I don't have enough reasons to stay out. Risk management is most important. Also, the most important part of trading is when to get in and when to stay out. Avoid trades not there, will be so much better off. I didn't have confirmation here. I was buying without confirmation. Hey everybody, Friday, October 18th, and I am down $31 on the day, but it is the best $31 down I've ever felt because earlier today I was down. Let's see if I have it. I can actually just show you right here. Earlier today I was down 460 bucks. So how the hell did I turn it around? What did I do? Um, what are the lessons learned? I actually recorded literally an hour long video today that I probably won't be releasing. During the video, it's when I was down tremendously, but then this flag opportunity happened. We broke this upper resistance here, and it flagged down, and I was able to pick up a couple ES contracts, get a nice win. I think I did a similar thing on MNQ. Yeah, right here. Um, a smaller win, but still a nice, $80 win. And yeah, I was able to kind of come back a little bit. Actually, there might be another good opportunity setting up right now on MNQ. So you know what? Let's. Is this gonna? Yeah, fuck it. Let's take it. Not like fuck it in a gambly way, but like, yeah, this is actually a good trade. You should never ever say F it when you get into a trade. Um, but yeah, this is just a good one. I'm putting on one contract, going for 20 points ish, $36, risking 9 points because look, it's consolidating above the moving averages. We've been drifting up. I think I'll go for a bit higher. Go for like 24 points. I think this is like a realistic target. Um, we'll see. Eh, I don't know if this is a good location. I'm feeling kind of indecisive now. Uh, anyway, this is not why you guys are here. You're here for me to talk about the day, explain what the hell happened. Look, this is my big problem summed up in as succinctly and simply as possible. I am great at getting in. I'm very good at getting into trades. Too good. I will look for reasons to enter and I will find them. And oftentimes they are kind of good reasons. I don't think I'd be able to come back from as bad a deficit as I did if I wasn't good at finding good times to get in. But I don't have enough reasons to stay out. What I need to get better at is staying out. Choosing when not to trade is the most important part of trading, probably more important than choosing when to trade. Well, sorry, I won't say it's the most important. Risk management is most important. Risk management is the most important part of trading. But also, the most important part of trading is when to get in and when to stay out. Because may get a great signal bar, but it could be a horrible time to take that trade if it's at a bad location. For me, the key is focusing on the key levels, the prior day low, the prior day high, and the prior day close. Focusing on the intraday levels. So like check this out. Let's go to ES. It opened with this huge move down and had a huge bounce move up. This was actually a good trade here. I started off the day with a $200 win. Let's go. But then after this bar, we should just expect it to range and chop around. I was trying to get long here twice. This was actually just a dumb short. Should have actually got long here. Would have had a nice little scalp. But these two were I was trying to get long, and I got stopped out on both. Because I put the stop loss below the previous, like the trigger signal bar entry. And yeah, like this, pretty damn unlucky because it only went like a point or a tick past my stop loss before it turned around and went up. And if these wouldn't have been stopped out and I still had these two contracts, we'd be up, you know, a lot of points, like 15 points, which is a really nice move for ES. It's $750 a contract. Um, but then we had this nice flag, which I was able to capture, and probably should have held both to this high here, to the high of this candle. Um, but yeah, I got back to mostly break even, and I'm really grateful for that. Um, so the key, what I need to do is just not trade bullshit. I need to have reasons why I don't trade, because I'm trading. I only want to take 2 to 4 quality setups a day. This is like my 10th trade of the day, so I get in too much, right? I trade too much. It's a problem for me. Um, and it's not what I should be doing. I'm gonna put that stop loss up because this is kind of looking bearish a little bit. And probably I should just get out. Just throw that there. So yeah, we're gonna take a small loss on this probably. Doesn't matter. I shouldn't even be watching this. This is noise. Big realization I had, you know, haven't just had it today. I've had it many times, but 5 minute is noise. It's a distraction. We need to focus up here on these levels, not on, you know, this crap down here, which is just noise. We want to use this to enter. We don't want to use Uh, we want to use this to enter the 5 minute, but we want to take the trades based off these levels, okay? We can't trade in no man's land, okay? We have to start being able, just to keep it stupid simple, we need to identify areas that I'm going to call no man's land, areas that both bulls and bears get chopped up and chewed out, and, like, look at, on this 15-minute chart, where are the no man's lands? No man's land. No man's land. No man's land. No man's land. Uh, this is like, there's a lot of no man's land today. Okay, where are no man's land at? Well, on this chart, you know, yesterday I think it was like, well, today it's, you know, these these key levels are the no man's land typically, and you can find them just by looking at the hourly. Like, look at all this resistance. Here, 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 here. It's fat resistance. This is like a no man's land area. We shouldn't trade in that. We got to trade at the key levels. The prior day low, the prior day high, the prior day close. That is where the money is to be made. If we avoid trades not there, we'll be so much better off. And that's what we want to be. We want to be millionaire traders, right? And millionaire traders don't scalp around meaningless bullshit. They wait for confirmation and then they enter. And they wait for confirmation at key levels, not just anywhere. It has to be at a good location. Like here, this is a good location because we've been drifting up. We got to pull back. We got small bars, good risk bars. Throw the stop loss underneath. And you hold, and you just target the recent high, or you can target, you know, even greater high if you want. But it's probably safest just to target the recent high, and you get 2 or 3 of those a day, and you do that over 6 to 12 months, you'll be in a really great financial position. And you can't, like, this is not a time to go short. We were at the lows. We were near the prior day lows and the prior day close. So we're in no man's land because we're inside yesterday's range. But where's it going to go? We're in a daily uptrend. Okay, the bulls have been dominating this market recently. Okay. we're near the 21 and the 9 moving average. We're near the bottom. So it's like logically, okay, yeah, we should be bullish. We want to look for bullish entries. Bullish entries are small candles, like this and this and this, that we can put the entry confirmation above the high of that candle, put the stop loss below the low, and just hold and let it ride. And once we get in, we want to hold for a long time. We don't want to interfere. We want to just get out. This was too early of an exit, but I was scared. I was scared because I was down so bad on the day, and I just wanted to get some wins to lessen the blow. Um, and you know what? If you're feeling confident, you can just trail the stop loss behind each candle. If you just trailed the stop loss behind each candle, you would have been able to catch this candle. And this candle extends so far beyond the Keltner, like you should just sell the close of this candle. But if I just trailed the stop loss of these candles, man, I would have been in a great, great spot. So, anyways, that is what I wanted to say. Hold on to the winners longer. Trail the stop loss. You can stop trailing and sell once it really extends way beyond the Keltner. Boom. That would have been a nice 10 point, 11 point pickup. You want to, or just play it safe and just target the most recent high. So that's where to put the take profit. I'm good at entering. I'd never have a reason that says, I'm not one of those people that goes, oh, I don't think I should enter, even though my system is screaming at me to enter. I enter very easily. But like here, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull move, bear move. Probably shouldn't fucking trade that. And this is rangy, so like if I'm gonna get in, it's tough to say this because like we want to wait for confirmation for every entry, but like probably would have been better to buy near the bottom of this range. But that's not a good entry because that's not like confirmation. That's like more gambly entry. It's not like as good of a. It's not as good of an entry, right? Simply because we don't have confirmation. And confirmation, well, this would have been an okay confirmation just for a really small couple point scalp. Maybe buying the close of bar 18 because it kind of pushed down and then reclaimed the 21 moving average. You could have just targeted the highs here. 5 points. I would not short at all today. I would not short at all because we're still near the bottom of the range and it's bullish environment. But after this pullback, we can look for areas to get long. Boom, get long, target the prior high or trail, and boom, you got a nice win. So I'm going to stop the video. I really need to do some inner work. It sounds psychological, but I just need to think and come up with like quantifiable times that I can write down where I shouldn't trade. And in there's the intraday range. I focus on the prior day range, but I should also need to focus on the intraday range because this first candle, it's important. It's a very important candle, okay? And when we look at the 15-minute chart and we see big wick down, another wick down, but still inside, a big wick up, but still inside this first candle, another candle inside the first candle. It's like, okay, we are inside this range. This candle is an important candle. It matters. Yes, it's not the prior day range, but it's having a big impact on price. And then once we see a consolidation candle, like maybe this fourth candle, then we can think about getting long because, we're in a bullish environment. The bigger trend is bullish. We're above the 200 moving average. We're nested. We're consolidating at this moving average. Maybe it's time to think about getting long. So that's my rant. We just got to be smarter, be more patient, only take 2 to 4 good trades a day. I can't keep trading as much as I've been trading. I'm real happy I was able to kind of come back today Damn, look, I was close to auto liquidation, real close. Almost got auto liquidated today and would have been down 500, but I got really freaking lucky, and I'm gonna learn the lesson. I'm not just gonna get lucky and repeat this mistake. I am going to really focus on not trading the intraday range, and it's really hard for me to, because I really want to trade them. I need to make trading more boring and be less stimulating. I really need to, like, really bad, but I'm able to fight another day. I have money in my account, and I just gotta be patient, only take confirmation, hold my winners for longer, not trade inside the intraday range, just focus on areas of no man's land. And I should probably just like use this shape feature and just draw, like, if I identify a range, just go like that. And just say, you know what, I'm not trading inside the gray area. Until here, because it's like, oh shit, we pushed up to the top of the range, we gently, slowly came down, and we consolidated near the top of the range. This is probably going to lead to a nice breakout move. This little pullback, this flag. What happened? A nice move up on ES. This is a trade that could make your day right here. And look, maybe this is going to pull back down, come back to the top of this zone, and maybe bounce up again. I don't know. It's a Friday, so there's only 2 hours left in the market as of me recording this. I'll pull this down so you can see. Yeah, 12 p.m. I'm on Mountain Time, though, so that's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, not a ton of trades today. Like, compared to yesterday, there was a lot. Sorry, where is it? That's 2 days. Oh, this is all yesterday. Yeah, there's a lot more movement yesterday than today. But there were still opportunities today, and I'm just lucky to have clawed my way back a little bit. These were my MNQ moves. Dumb to go long here because we're below the moving averages, and it's just I didn't have confirmation here. I was buying without confirmation. Right, Peter, I thought you stopped doing that. I thought you stopped buying without confirmation. No, I was an idiot today. I didn't stop that. I still am doing it. Or I still did it. I need to stop. But look at right here. Bar 37, bar 35, bar 36. This is finally confirmation in the way we want to go. Look what happened after. I went from 460 back to the top of the range. Could have got 50 or 60 points out of this. I would have put my take profit here, 45 points, $90 MNQ contract. Damn, this you could have bought this with the. This would be a pretty damn low risk. Like, you could actually buy a full NQ contract on this, risking $200. But look at that fucking risk to reward. I mean, $200 to make $900 in a pretty safe way. That's pretty awesome. And look at this. This just went way down, and now it's getting bought up real quick because it went into this zone. I'm guessing bulls have claimed this area now, and they're protecting it. So, yeah, I really need to focus on the range, focus on areas I shouldn't trade, because to last in this game, you have to not trade. You know, most bars on this chart are not tradable bars. Maybe only 5 to 10% today. And on a really good day, maybe like 10 to 15% of bars are worth trading. So you need confirmation. Don't trade ranges. Be smarter. ES has really risen quite a bit more today than MNQ, but yeah, I need to think and reflect, and I will. I'm making a promise to myself that I will. I'll be better. So, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Give me feedback, criticisms in the comments. I'm open to it. Some people said the music was too loud, so I'll turn the music down a little bit. But yeah, hope everyone's doing well, has a good weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week on Monday. Peace.